Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, as well as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, heated cloth bucket seats, as well as lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with storage and cup holder on the bottom, as well as rear lift gate controls. So you're going to have the speakers come up to the bottom, go up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows as well. Of course, you're going to have your Equinox badging. And just the driver's seat's going to be power adjustable, both heated, very comfortable. Left side here, we're going to have our ventilation and our lighting controls. And moving on to the steering wheel, the left will be our forward collision alert, cruise control, as well as our lane keep assist. And the right side is our odometer cluster control and our voice recognition. With the cluster control, you can access trip A, trip B, as well as other fuel information, oil life, tire pressure, and other various things. Of course, we're going to have push to start, climate control, heated seats, park assist, and as well as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and OnStar services. Down below, you're going to have 2 USB ports, 1 quick charge, 1 auxiliary port, and a 12-volt DC port. Park assist and all-wheel drive right there. You're going to have the cup holder, new gear shifter, parking brake, as well as extra center console. Lots of storage inside. Passenger side, same finish. Cloth stitch. You're going to have that two-tone finish. It's going to go across the dash. Speakers on each side. As well as you can access your SOS, your OnStar services from up there, as well as your sunglass case holder. You're going to have these 17-inch alloy wheels with the paint match mirror caps and the keyless entry door handle as well. Coming to the back, we're going to have our black emblems as well. Power lift gate. As well as you're going to have the all-weather mats here. You're going to have extra hooks as well. Seats do go down, and as well as extra wheel well storage. Very spacious rear. Onto the rear now, same style. Cup holder and storage on the bottom, as well as the speakers. Come up here, it's going to come equipped with the power windows. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger seat. You're also going to have rear ventilation and rear USB ports, as well as you're going to have the cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for watching today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated bucket seats, as well as OnStar services, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.